Hello, this is the Harper Woods 15th class of 2012, standing with our principal, Thomas Parker, in front of a display of different accomplishments we have achieved.
In July, we took a discovery cruise on Lake Erie. That was very enjoyable.
In this picture, this is also the Harper Woods class standing on a pier.
Here, students are looking and listening to a Discovery Cruise employee as he talks about ROV.
In this picture, ROV is being deployed, and back on the boat, we are learning more about zebra mussels and how they can affect sea life.
Here, as you can see, students are having a lot of fun on the Discovery Cruise.
Metro Beach for the beach cleanup. We had to clean up trash and collect pollution at Lake St. Clair, and we collected 50 pounds of trash at the beach cleanup. As you can see, all our bags, we collected trash from dead fish to cigarette butts, and we managed to collect all the trash, and we kept Metro Beach clean.
This is our basic observation buoy, a bob for short. It is like a flotation, and it rests on the water, and it collaborates different data such as conductivity, pH, and water temperature.
See, we use this box to put our programmer, or GLX, in here so it protects it from water. We stick this probe and connect it to the GLX and stick the probe in one of these tubes. So when we put the bob in the water, we put the probes in these tubes so it collects data from these little holes.
Because the water comes up through these. And what makes Bob so unique is because it comes on for 2 minutes every hour, and it collects different data.
Here we're looking at all the components of the GLX for the bob. And here we're taking a picture of the bob and the GLX before we take it out. And now we're actually deploying it with the GLX. And now we're testing for turbidity within the head sulfur waters. And now we're testing for other things like pH, temperature, and also dissolved oxygen. And now we're looking for macroorganisms within the leaves of this head sulfur state. And now we're looking at the macroorganisms we found within the leaves.
And here, this is Jerry White's letting us touch his frog. These frogs live on the marsh.
This is when we had a full group presentation about it.
This is us walking on the marsh and looking what's in the marsh.
And this is when we had some Phragmites in our hand, of course. And this is when we looked at the marsh through some binoculars.
This is us taking a picture at our school bus with the bob.
This is when we dissected plants and showed them to our kids.
We made a poster for our kids so that they'll know where they're going for the next part.
This is 2 kids reading our books. Well, we read them to them, and this involved a tree day.
Then we showed the kids what we did on the trees and Burke. We showed them to the kids and we wrote posters about it.
This is kids getting involved with the activities of Tree Day. And these are 3 kids loving Tree Day.
Us showing students the water cycle on Great Lakes.
And this is a picture of Miss Tyson taking a picture with some second graders.
This is a poster of the Great Lakes one of our students is holding.
This is a big poster of what's great about the Great Lakes with students. Picture of the state legislator with a picture of
The Future Think Group doing a project called the Science National Challenge.
This is us building our fifth basic information coding.
This is the EVA plates. EVA stands for ethylene vinyl acetate. It takes the chemicals out of the water.
This is the group of spring seeds. This means that we do suggestion.
And this is the girls' team deploying in the Milk River.
Bye.